Welcome to the magical and enchanting world of Hogwarts Legacy. Here you will encounter all sorts of puzzles, and door puzzles are no exception. Have you been struggling to decipher and solve door puzzles in Hogwarts Legacy? Don't worry, this guide will provide you with all the information you need. Each door puzzle is surrounded by 10 symbols resembling magical creatures found in the wizarding world, with a numerical puzzle of numbers and symbols engraved in a triangular shape. These puzzles are typically found in the various areas of the school and may seem difficult. However, obtaining the treasure behind the door is actually quite easy. The key to unlocking these doors is to first understand that each symbol has a corresponding numerical value. The door puzzle must then be solved using the 2 stone switches found on the adjacent walls. One is labeled with a single question mark, and the other with 2. These switches can sometimes be tricky to locate, but by scanning the camera up and down while searching you should be able to spot them. When you have identified them both, choose the symbol that corresponds to the solution to the puzzle on the chalkboard, and make the sum of the 3 numbers on the corners of the triangle equal to the value in the center. So, how do you know the number that each symbol represents? That's where the decryption key comes in. Luckily, we have the information you need to help you solve these puzzles. The decryption key assigns each symbol with the following corresponding numbers. Demiguise is assigned a value of 0, Unicorn is 1, Graphorn is 2, Hydra is 3, Fooper is 4, Crab is 5, Lizard is 6, Octopus is 7, Spider is 8, and Multi-headed Snake is 9. Once you have located the switches and decrypted the numerical puzzle, the door will be unlocked, and the reward inside will be yours. And don't forget the stunning views of Hogwarts that you can enjoy while you're there. So, if you've been struggling to unlock the door puzzles in Hogwarts Legacy, now you know all you need to succeed. With your newly acquired knowledge, you can go forth and unravel the puzzles of Hogwarts Legacy. Good luck!